What's your full name? Do you have a nickname people call you by? Where are you originally from? How long have you been living in the UK? What's your favorite thing about living in the UK? Can you tell me about a park you love visiting in the UK? How do you get there? How often do you visit that park? Do you usually go alone or with someone else? How did you travel to the exam center today? How long was the journey? Have you ever learned how to drive? Is learning to drive something you're interested in? What's the topic you're discussing today? What are the key points of your topic? Can you describe your family? What do you like to do together as a family? How do you spend weekends with your family? What hobbies does your family enjoy? What genre of music do you prefer? Do you have a favorite artist or band? When do you usually listen to music? Have you attended any music events? Would you like to attend a concert in the future? Do you enjoy music festivals? How do you usually celebrate holidays? What's your plan for this Christmas? Can you tell me something about your home? Do you enjoy decorating your home? What is your favorite spot in the house? How would you describe your bedroom setup? How do you spend your leisure time? What games do you enjoy playing with your kids? Are those outdoor or indoor games?